So hello everyone, my name is Sai Ganesh and today I'm going to explain the code of my Telegram chatbot. So now let's begin. So first, it's time to import the modules. So now first, this line of code actually deals with the API of the Telegram chatbot. So it imports the Telegram bot library to interact with the Telegram API. And the next one is require Axios. So this deals with importing of Axios. This Axios is used to make HTTP request to the APIs so that we can fetch some information from the external server. And this acts in this case we are using this to fetch some jokes from a public server. And this const token, this token is I got this token from the Telegram bot father. So this token is unique and this should be kept safe. And if anyone has this token of ours, they can easily control our bot. So this must be private and safe. So now, uh, this it's time to create the bot. Now here, it this line automatically creates a bot instantly. It creates a bot instantly, and this polling true deals with by checking the new messages from by it continuously checks the new messages from the Telegram servers. And now this then we came to the command section. Now this start is a command, and when we give this command, this message.chart id it is responsible for sending the messages to a particular place. I mean, by giving that, it identifies where to send the messages. And if we give the start id, then it gives the following output. It gives the first name, and it gives the first name of the user, and it prints this message like, I'm your personal Telegram bot. And it says, type help to see what I can do. Now help is another command. Now this line deals with the help command. If we give help command, then it gives this following information. Again, this message.chat.id deals with to which chat it should send the message. It deals with that. And by using the help command, it can give the following output, like I can do the following, let's say hi or bye, tell a joke, or just chat with me. Now, the next command is joke command. If we give this joke command, the Axios package comes into action. Now this Axios package sends a HTTP request to the public server. This is the official server. Now it sends a request to that server, and it brings the data from that server and displays on in our chatbot. Now once the data is displayed, we get a nice joke and from the server. So Axios acts as a bridge from the user to the public server. It's just like a bridge. It takes that when the user is needed, when the user sends the joke command, it fetches the information, and it fetches the joke, and it puts and it displays in the chatbot. Now along with that, we can also create our own custom messages, for example, this line message, comma callback triggers for any message. It converts text to lowercase, makes so that there is no case sensitive issues. And it also skips messages that start with slash, so that it avoids responding to the commands, because these are not commands, these are some custom messages. Now let's handle these custom messages. And if text is equal to high, that means if the text that we have sent it is equals to this thing that is there in the string, that is high, then we are going to print this message, hello message dot from dot first name. It prints our first name, and it says hellos, and it prints this emoji. Now else if, I mean, if this condition failed, and if this condition becomes true, text is equal to how are you, then we get this information, we get this output. After if this condition also fails, this particular condition comes into action. If this condition becomes true, good morning, have a great day. And if text is equal to what can you do, it can say I can tell jokes, just type hello, tell me a joke, or anything else. And if text is equal to tell me a joke, then Axios comes into action. It goes there, it fetches the information, it acts as a bridge between the user and the public server. It fetches the joke, and it displays in the chatbot. And if something error occurs, then it just pops up with a message that it couldn't fetch a joke right now, if it can't, if in case of an error. Now if text is equal to bye, that means then the message comes as goodbye. It prints our first name, and it says see you later. Else, I mean, if all the conditions in the above, if all the above given conditions fail, Then in the final scenario, we print this. You said this, but the message that we have sent here comes here. I can other than that, it says I can also tell jokes if you type tell me a joke. I mean, if you said something irrelevant to all these things, this final thing is printed. So now to start running this particular code, now we have to open the terminal and we have to say node index.js. So as soon as we type this particular piece of code, a particular piece of command, what happens is our Telegram chatbot comes into action. It starts working. Now if we can directly go to the Telegram chatbot, we can say start. Now our chatbot is working. So see, we gave the start command. Now let's say let's give the help command. Now as soon as we give the help command, it is telling what are all the things that it can do. Now let's say hi. Now it said hello Sai Ganesh, this is my first name. And now let's say uh, good morning. Now it says good morning, have a great day. Let's say how are you. It says I'm good, how about you. And now let's say let's ask it to tell us a joke. Tell me a joke. Now it gave a joke. Is there a hole in your shoe? No. Then how did you get your foot in it? So now let's say our work is done. Now let's say bye. Now it says goodbye Sai Ganesh, see you later. So now our chatbot is actually running. So as soon as this thing as soon as the if we give no index.js, as soon as this continues to run, our chatbot is available. Now we have to stop it. Actually, if we just leave it like that, our chatbot will continue to work. So if you want to stop it, then you have to use control and C. So now our chatbot has stopped. Now it will stop working. So that's the complete explanation of the chatbot code and the demonstration of the Telegram chatbot. So thank you.